Today is a Thursday, September 28, 2023. Key petition seeks clarity on Army Chief's role in state affairs. Renowned lawyer Raja Irshad files constitutional petition in Supreme Court. Islamabad-Pakistan. In a noteworthy legal development, Raja Irshad, a seasoned counsel famed for his representation of intelligence agencies in the missing persons case, has taken a significant step by soliciting the Supreme Court of Pakistan to exfoliate light on the liabilities and part of the Chief of Army Staff, COAS, in the governance of the state. This legal initiative invokes Composition 184(3) of the Constitution, which empowers the Supreme Court to take up matters of public significance. In his well-proved solicitation, Raja Irshad emphasizes the expansiveness of Composition 184(3) of the Constitution, which allows a single existence to state and endorse the grievances of the entire society. He contends that the issues have immense counter-accusations for administering abecedarian rights, as elevated in Chapter 1 of Part 2 of the Constitution. This chapter, gauging from Composition 8 to 28, outlines the abecedarian rights guaranteed to the people of Pakistan, rights that are necessary for leading honorable and cultivated lives. The supplication draws particular attention to Composition 14 of the Constitution, which declares the inviolability of mortal quality. It contends that this right is including and expansive, yet the presidential part of the public authority continually abuses it. Raja Irshad keeps up that the High Court, as the watchman of the Constitution, is normally obliged to come to the guide of the large numbers who end up dependent upon the oppressiveness of the leader organs of the state. Structure on these domains, the petition direly entreats the High Court to proclaim that Pakistan is by wrestling with tumultuous circumstances, rebellion and disorder, performing to an absence of native administration in the country. To remedy this situation, the supplicant seeks an order compelling the repliers, comprising the President, Prime Minister, COAS, Ministry of Law and Justice, and Ministry of Defense, to ensure the restoration of indigenous governance within the nation. Similarly, the solicitation requests the Supreme Court to interpret the pledge of office taken by the Chief of Army Staff, COAS. This interpretation is essential to delineate the precise parts and liabilities of the COAS in the state's affairs. The supplicant contends that similar clarity is vital in upholding the rule of law and properly functioning Pakistan's popular institutions. In the end, the solicitation leaves the door open for any other orders or remedies that the Supreme Court may suppose necessary to advance the cause of justice. This move to seek judicial interpretation of the COAS's part is a significant development in Pakistan's legal geography. It could have far-reaching counter-accusations for the country's governance and indigenous order. Thanks for watching and subscribing to the channel.